Hello everybody and welcome back to the Stone House. Sarah turned the camera on. She's with me. We're doing the edit. I don't know what she thought she was going to get here, but what I'm going to do is torture her. We're going to watch this through because she edited this video. Oh, she did. May or may not have used that tool correctly. You be the judge in the comments below.
We have that fight all the time on how to use the square.
Yeah, I'm usually right though, but the multi-tool, I didn't know you broke that out for this. I guess I didn't know how you make that cut. I went to work and she started this. I didn't know she was going to do it.
Well, you said get it done.
Well, yeah, I was kind of joking. Yeah, that is totally how you use that tool. 100%.
There was a hole in our house
yeah.
that needed to be fixed. Mm-hmm. And I do random little projects. So I figured I could do this.
Yeah. Not
like professionally, but...
How long did it take you to find the piece of wood that would fit? Because that's cedar.
You know what? I knew where it was. It was in the outhouse on the back porch. I knew we had some pieces of cedar for window trim.
You're going to have to explain this because I was confused.
Yeah. I know that you need a kerf cut. So when the water comes onto your piece of wood, it doesn't just flow all the way back. So I just cut a little groove, and I think it'll work.
Yeah, that 10 inches is really safe.
That 10 inches
Wait, does the rest of the wood have that?
No.
Oh.
That's why it was rotting.
I put it when I did the porch.
Yeah.
I did it.
I mean, maybe someday I'll fix the whole thing. It was very hard not to just go into peel paint mode and do the whole
house.
Well, you start peeling paint and then you're like, ooh, this looks good.
Yeah, we're holding off on the painting until the kitchen's done. I think it turned out great. I love this interaction that comes up with Ellie. Oh, listen to this.
Song?
Sure.
So I memorized it. It's a made-up song. It's and then it's 1-5 on the low notes, you know.
Oh, like a piano song?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the next part was it was same thing.
Cool. You're gonna play it for me?
Yeah.
I'm almost done with this. Make sure I get it good.
It's got to be one of the best recorded interactions, when we're not trying to kind of catch a moment like that with our children, but something that we can capture and have forever now. That's why we do it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I think this is some of the best footage we've ever gotten to of butterflies on the flowers, and they're perfectly in bloom.
I was following it all over the place.
Yeah.
It was fun.
So many purples this year, purples and whites and yellows, and the flocks are coming in for Grandpa. They're gonna be going off soon. I'll share that on Instagram soon. I guess that's it. A little 4-minute video out of that little job, huh? If you'd like to see more videos like this, let us know. We can edit this kind of stuff pretty quick, and it's pretty harmless to our time and budget. So, we'll see y'all next time we turn the camera on.